Let us learn about homonyms.
Words are said to be homonyms if they are pronounced and spelled the same way but have different meanings. Here are some examples.
Right. Right. Example. I'm sure, I'm right. Take a right turn near the junction. Bat. Bat. Example. I am afraid of bats. I accidentally bashed him with my bat. Sink. Sink. Example. The sink is full of dirty vessels. In a naval battle, his aim is to sink the enemy's ship. Tear. Tear. Example. There was a tear in her dress. Tears rolled down from her cheeks. Bark. Bark. Example. The neighbor's dog is always barking. The bark of the tree was covered in ivy. Band. Band. Example. I play drums in a jazz band. She wore a red band in her head. Ruler. Ruler. Example. Use a ruler to draw a straight line. He was the ruler of a vast empire. Light. Light. Example. Switch on the light. Eat light food during travel. Palm. Palm. Example. He reads my palm. The roofs of the huts are made from palm fronds. Block. Block. Example. A block of ice. The pipe was blocked by leaves.